What is science saying about cremation versus ashes scattered in the ocean? The environmental impact of cremation versus scattering ashes in the ocean is a topic of growing interest. Cremation, while considered more environmentally friendly than traditional burial, still has its drawbacks. The process requires a significant amount of energy, typically using natural gas or propane, and releases carbon dioxide and other pollutants into the atmosphere. Additionally, the use of embalming fluids and non-biodegradable materials in caskets can contribute to soil and water pollution. On the other hand, scattering ashes in the ocean is often seen as a more eco-friendly option. The process does not require the use of fossil fuels or produce harmful emissions. However, there are still some environmental concerns to consider. For example, the ashes may contain traces of metals from dental fillings or medical implants, which could potentially harm marine life. Additionally, the scattering of ashes in certain areas may disrupt local ecosystems or violate environmental regulations. To minimize the environmental impact of both options, some experts recommend using biodegradable urns for ocean scattering or opting for water cremation, also known as alkaline hydrolysis. This process uses water and potassium hydroxide to break down the body, resulting in a smaller carbon footprint and fewer pollutants. Ultimately, the choice between cremation and scattering ashes in the ocean depends on personal preferences and environmental considerations. It is important to weigh the pros and cons of each option and consider alternative methods that may have a lower impact on the environment.